What is happening, YouTube? Thanks for checking out the video. So a company reached out to me, a company called Elitewill reached out to me to see if I wanted to test out a new product they just came out with. This is an aluminum roof, so it's basically the same shape as the stock roof. It's a tiny bit different, but it's almost like a chrome color. It's just a bare aluminum. I'm sure you could probably paint it if you want to. I won't, but I'm really excited to see what this looks like. It's just a little bit different from anything I've seen out there before, so I'll go ahead and I'll unbox it. We'll see what it looks like. The packaging is great. Feels nice and light. You know, that's plastic, so it's probably going to be a little bit heavier than the plastic, but it's still not going to be, you know, super heavy since it's made out of aluminum. So let's cut open the box and we'll take a look at the new roof. How awesome is that? It's literally like a chrome roof. Yeah, they package it up real nice. They keep the corners nice and protected. There's other little protectors inside of there too. Comes with the hardware. Have it foam padded up here. Like I said, it's almost the same shape. You know, there's some slight differences. I think this one actually might sit a little bit lower too. I could be wrong on that. But man, look at that thing. It's so shiny, so nice. We'll pop the other one off and then we'll pop this one back on. All right, there you go, guys. Looks awesome. It does come with this this adhesive foam padding right here, so it's not going to rattle when it's on the bar or on the roll cage. So that's pretty sweet. And this is very bendable too, so if you guys need to, maybe it's going to arrive not quite perfectly straight, you could just actually, when I first mounted this tab back here was actually sticking up like this. I just took my hand and pushed it down. It's very pliable. It's very easy to work with. But it looks freaking amazing. I really like it. And then what's cool is up underneath the front of the roof, there's a gap. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that works perfectly because then I can still use my wiper. It feeds right up underneath there. And that's going to allow some airflow in there as well, and it's also still going to be able to stop the rain. But man, what a cool addition. I gotta clean it up, make it nice and shiny. Mounts up almost just like the stock roof. It does not have the mount here with the Velcro straps, so it's just the 4 pins that are holding it on. Well, it looks pretty sick. It's very shiny. It's got fingerprints all over it for me putting it on, so it doesn't look perfectly shiny yet, but I'm going to shine it up real nice. I have some metallic polish, and we'll make that thing look like glass. There you go, guys. 2 thumbs up in my book. I'll leave a link in the description of the video if you guys are interested in picking up one for your unit. But looks pretty sick. All right, thanks, guys.